Hi guys. Lot of times we struggle with our breakfast. At least it happens in my house. What healthy breakfast can we eat? Lot of times people just eat cereals and milk or cereals and yogurt. So the cereals which are store bought, can you do it at home? Yes, you can. Here's a recipe for a very easy homemade granola which is so full of nutrients without any preservative chemicals, plenty of seeds, berries, raisins. So I have used flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, melon seeds, used Amaranth Puff, and I have used rolled oats. For sweetening the granola, I have used honey. It's an amazing recipe, extremely healthy, and make your breakfast very, very special with this.
Take half a cup of honey, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix the honey and oil to the puffs and the oats. Take a baking tray, line it with a parchment paper and spread the mixed amaranth oats multigrain puffs mixed with honey and oil. Spread it across the tray evenly. Now this tray goes into a preheated oven for 25 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. Everything gets roasted for a while, then take it out, mix in some cranberries, some raisins, some blueberries and some black currants. But if you don't have blueberries, you can omit them. It's not a must. I have added some goji berries and cranberries as well. I picked up the goji berries during my US visit, but it's absolutely not essential. If you don't have it, don't use it. Instead, you can use almonds, black currants, and whatever dry fruits you like of your choice. You can also add a little bit of dark chocolate chips that really tastes good. Now give everything a good mix and spread it out in the tray again. If you don't mix it well and try separating the grains out, it will form a cluster. After it cools down completely, this will be stored in an airtight container or a cereal jar. This can be your perfect breakfast just with some cold milk and yogurt. Why breakfast? You can have it anytime. So my perfect, healthy, tasty, crunchy, homemade granola is ready.
Guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like, comment and share. Do press the bell icon so that you don't miss any single video that's uploaded on my channel.